Hey guys, so I have here my JBL TUNE125tws with truly wireless earbuds. Today I want to show you how to pair these earbuds with an iPhone. So in case you want to pair these with an Android phone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. So the first thing we have to do is to enable the pairing mode on the earbuds, and in order to do that we just remove one of the earbuds from the charging case. And if we take a look on this LED here on the right side on this, then this is supposed to start blinking in blue and white, just like you see here. So in case it doesn't do that for you automatically, then you can force it into this pairing mode by just pressing and holding on the button that is here on the earbud. So where it says JBL, so we press and hold this for about 5 seconds, and now the earbud is going to shut off. So it's powering off. You see this here by the LED is totally turning off now, and now we press and hold it again for about 5 seconds until the LED is then going to start blinking in blue and white. So now we definitely have the pairing mode, the Bluetooth pairing mode enabled, and now we can just set the earbud on the side for now. Okay, so then we're switching to the iPhone now, and we're going to enter the settings menu, and here we find this Bluetooth entry here. So we're going to enter this and we enable Bluetooth, and now on the bottom of this huge list of previously paired devices I have here now the JBL TUNE125tws, and we're going to select this, and now we're going to pair these earbuds to the phone. And you can also see, you see here the confirmation by the earbud. It's not going to blink in blue and white anymore. Now it's just blinking in blue. That means it is now connected to the phone. So now the earbuds are ready to be used. We can play our music, listen to other music, or make phone calls. And we can of course also take out the second earbud, the left one in my case, and we can both use them together. And once we're done, we're going to put them back into the charging case. And now the question is, the next time we want to use the earbuds, are we going to have to go through this entire pairing process over again? And the answer to that question is no. So the next time you want to use the earbuds together with your iPhone, you just take out the earbuds from the charging case here. And now as long as Bluetooth is still enabled on your smartphone, it is going to reconnect to your iPhone automatically. You don't have to do anything else. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.